I just got this power bank and jump starter combination, and I just want to tell you a little bit about it. You're able to jump start dead batteries with a single tap. It's robust and compact, very portable, comes in a nice case that contains everything. It's a perfect solution to all of your roadside emergency needs. It's got these really nice improved jumper clips and extension cables. A couple feet allows you to reach everything, and allows you to operate the unit very conveniently. This thing also has a pretty cool feature where it's got your 12 volt DC output, which would be your cigarette lighter outlet. Allows you to utilize a bunch of those cell phone chargers, or you could run a cooler or a vacuum or something to that effect. This battery pack is a high performance LED light. It has a solid light, a SOS, and a strobe. The jumpstart portion of it has an intelligent production system, 10 built-in protection measures to help ensure that it works, that it operates perfectly. It has low voltage protection as well as short circuit protection, reverse charging protection, and high-low temp protection as well.
Hey.
As you can see on the end here, you've got your DC output as well as your two USB outputs and your input for recharging the pack.